first day of the end of your
Okay, what do you think?
Decent.
I'm a I'm now put the windows and stuff. Just give me more ideas for the like inside. Okay.
Hmm.
Spawn in some rec room
Where
original.
is it?
Spawn some rec room original stuff to make like something cool, so I could use it as a base.
Raccoon original. Ow! Uh, Inventions?
Yeah, that too if you want to.
Where's that one thing? Man, I wish my raccoon worked better. I really cannot find it. No. Oh, control panel.
You found it?
um. That's it. Ooh. Is there downstairs? One idea. Yeah. Ow, 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 like. swear my raccoon keeps bugging. Humano, intento, dedo, Shire. Um, 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 um. Doomsday. What do you mean, Doomsday? He said Doomsday. Over chicken nuggets I stole from you? Tisk, tisk, tisk. I'm still not giving you McDonald's, bro. I'm not gonna fight this little midget. I cannot wind this. Let's go. I need to make this sticker. Seven. Seven. This is world's baddest shield. Oh my god.
Huh. Hmm. My cousin went into my room.
I'm giving you chicken nuggets? No! Over me eating them, you're still mad? No! Back up, you little big back.
What are you on about, cousin?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Over fried chicken.
imagine.
I want to beat you. Ah, my back. Still got your egg kick. Ooh, a force shield. Yeah. Wow.
What do you think?
Whee! Yeah, I love it.
I thought of this as where someone like checks like the boiler and stuff inside of it, and
Oh
they
yeah, I
tell
made a
them what's
force
going
shield.
on. You made a force shield? Okay, don't move anything though. Just move out the way. I'm still building. By the way, turn it blue, like lapis neon blue. Okay.
Lapis.
Neon blue. You want me to make something to like support to support the force shield?
Maybe.
Like at the front, there'd be like some antenna things or something that like turns on the force shield.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do.
I'm about. You know, I'm turning off my mic because I don't want to turn my mic off.
Okay. I don't know what he said. I'm gonna have this to cover the top of the ship. So plus a force shield beyond there, and if there's rain or something, this will cover it. To make more detail, this top gonna be like for details. On top here, this gonna be a cable line.
Nowadays. They just steal all your food and be big bucks. Grr.
Don't make it too large, by the way. Just only make one. Make it smaller.
What the heck? What the-
Yeah, like that, like that, like that. Okay, try it on now. Try it on now. By the way, I made some supports. Put on the front of the ship, like onto the glass area. Yo, do you think it fits?
I guess.
I'm still working on the inside, okay?
Stop trying to steal my money over McDonald's. Ice. You know what? I'm not even gonna talk about it. I'm gonna throw this water bottle at this monkey right there.
That's crazy.
Na boo boo. You can't be 7. I'm telling. I tell. What's the one thing I just do?
Letters.
Anyway. What do you mean you're the main character? Stop. I'm gonna throw another water bottle, but I don't have one. Ooh. You know what? I'm just gonna lock my door. Now, what's that one water bottle I just do? Yeah, I'm not gonna find it. I'm too lazy. Cause I'm sleeping. Little monkey.
I'm making the supports now.
Buzz.
Just look around inside because it's okay now because I finished half of it.
You need a clamp.
What?
Spawn it in.
Oh, you getting the clamp thing? Thank you. Don't do it. Wait,
What?
don't do it yet because I got a plan. Just put it somewhere
What's
like
wrong with my thing?
Okay. By the way, the
I
shield
can't
thing
see the
is gonna be
clamp.
separate, okay?
I can't see the clamp. The heck? Oh my god, now my rec room doesn't work. But only this. Ew.
Wait, the clamp? Wait, go to your tools, right? Go to
Yeah.
tools, press show circuits. Now press it. It works. When you press it in, it'll like, show it. Okay, do you see it
It's
now?
invisible.
Press Is it
Nope.
orange or
I literally
black?
have.
Press it again. Press it again. Press it again. The clamp thing. I mean the show critics circuits. Press show circuits at the side. You know. I'll show you this. Can you see it now? Art. Go to tools button. Right. Press.
Wait, tools.
Yeah. Up top. Go to your right corner. Show circuits.
Let me find it.
Or do you want me to
It
do
says
it?
show you. It's literally on showing circuits.
Is it orange or black?
Orange.
Yeah, you gotta rejoin, bro.
I did that. My program doesn't work. I found this doll off Temu, by the way. She's taking is crazy.
Wait, move out the way, move out the way. I'm trying to clamp everything. Go to the corner over there.
Wow, it's a ray gun. Wow. Wow, it's a raid gun. It's totally a raid gun.
Put it down. I know
Wow.
what it is. Don't crash me, bro.
It's fake. It's fake.
Oh wait, I already did that. Hold on. Okay, now I gotta paint this. I'm gonna paint the stuff that needs to be blue.
It's a boy. Ah. Of course we eat fried chicken. Of course we eat a lot of
Please stop lagging my game. You gotta delete stuff
eggs.
when you gotta delete stuff when you're finished, bro.
Rico, come here. Ciao, ciao. Free shell.
Yo, guess what? Look,
Huh?
don't
Wow.
touch, don't touch it
Holy.
though. By the
I'm
way,
stuck.
you're stuck.
I'm
Should I turn it
stuck.
all to decoration?
Yeah.
Yeah, to save up ink. Hold on. Oh,
Fire.
bro.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, do you like these cannons? By the way, they can go up and down.
Mm.
That's a new feature it can do. It can go up and down. Whenever it shoots, it goes down and more down and more down. And when it's reloading, it goes up and down and then shoots whoever is coming. It
Fire.
can do huge range now. Oh yeah. Do you want
Oh.
me make it movable or grabbable?
Yeah.
I'll bring it with the other half. Okay. I'll maybe tell if people ask about the boat, I will say you made the shield part, okay? Bro, we got a whole gosh darn cruise ship. Bro, these titans gotta hurry and get finished because look at, oh my god, they gotta get finished. Yo, do you want to build the tablets and stuff or the repair drones and battle drones? Which one?
Oh. Repair drones.
And the battle ones?
Yeah. Why
Okay,
the heck you keep looking up?
by the way, I'm sitting down right here. I'm right here. This is where my arm's at. Letting you know, I want you to make hey, do you have an invention of a gun model from Scooby Toilet or something? I need it. Oh. Do you have any
I can make.
yeah, make a weapon idea for like the blue one. For the blue like battle droid. It'll be like a transport thing. And after that I think we'll build some tanks and then we're done with them, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, make concept of it. I think it'll be like a detainer arm, but more better. Okay, for Dan side. Right now, I'm gonna save. So her. So let's stop right here for a moment. Okay.
Okay.
Hold on.